Festivals in India and holiday season abroad is one of the most cherished time of the year for almost every individual. What is it that we start doing? We start making a list of the gifts that we want to buy for our near and dear ones. Also, the meal that we would want to prepare for them. Hi, I'm Divyaa Advaani, an image consultant, etiquette, and a soft skills coach, and founder of the brand Suave U. I am also an author of the book called 101 Tips and Tricks to Enhance and Upgrade Yourself and Your Image, which is available on Amazon worldwide. I'll put the link in the description box below. In today's video, we shall be discussing over gifting etiquettes. There would be times that we would receive gifts from our very close family members and friends, and from some who are not so favorite. But apart from that, there would be times when we will still have to gift people, be it a baby shower, a birthday party, wedding, anniversary, etc. Different people and occasions would require different gifts, and it might get quite tough to first figure out what is it that we can give them. There are certain things that we must keep in mind before gifting anything to someone. Let's dive right into our gifting etiquette video today and see what is it that we can do. The very first thing that one could do is take gifts for the house guest. Most of us are familiar with the saying that always show up with something in your hand when you visit someone. It is very important to take some kind of a gift for your host for that evening, or if you plan to stay with them too, you can send them a gift. You can take a gift on your arrival, or you can give it to them while you're leaving, or maybe within a week's time. Some house guests prefer to say a thank you by treating their host out for a dinner party if they are staying with them. If in case you're going for a very short time or for a single day or so, you could always carry a good bottle of wine, a candle, a nice scented candle, or maybe cookies, chocolates, or anything else that the host might enjoy, while a longer stay might require something more. The next tip is that never ask your guests what is it that they would want as a gift. Unless they are your own family members or very close friends of yours, you can always ask them what they would prefer as a gift for their birthday or any other occasion. This can make the recipient quite uncomfortable and may also show your lack of creativity. The next option is of a gift card. Always remember to give a thank you note or a card if you are giving your host or your friends or your family members a gift card. What can a thank you note do along with a gift card? Though a gift card might seem quite easy and a go to thing, by adding a thank you note or a card along with a gift card could make it look quite thoughtful, and also it can explain why you thought that this gift card would be an ideal fit for the person. It shows that you were thinking of the recipient while picking that gift card along with the thank you note, and you're not giving it because it's an easy way out. The next and very important point is that you do not have to gift somebody the exact value of the gift that they gave you. You might receive a gift that might be very lavish from your friends or family members, which you might not be able to afford or reciprocate with the same. But it's totally fine. What matters is the thought behind the gift that you give to your family members or the friends who gave you a gift. And it is not about the money that you invested in it, only your thoughts matter. Also, it's not good to pressurize yourself to be matching up to somebody who is gifting you as per their budget and as per their liking. If you've liked the content so far, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel if in case you are a new viewer on my channel. If in case you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here with me. Please do not forget to click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you get notified each time that I have a new video put up. On my channel, I speak about image consulting, etiquettes, and various soft skills that could be required by a person. Moving further in the gifting etiquettes, the most tempting thing that one could think of is to regift. But that is something that we should avoid. Regifting is not a good option. You might be tempted to regift something that you already have, and if in case you have excess gifts with you which you already have or are not going to use, you might really want to regift that. But you should also be mindful of the person who gave it to you. If that person finds out that you've regifted it to somebody else, they might feel quite hurt and may not like it. Instead, what you could do is you could donate it to somebody or give it to someone who might actually need it. But if in case you plan to regift it to someone, there should be certain points that you should keep in mind before regifting it. Certain things that you can take note of is that the gift should be in a good condition and it shouldn't be personalized. If it is personalized and you give it to somebody, it does not pass a good image about you, as well as it shows that you didn't care enough to buy something good for them. And most important, the original giver should never find out about you giving this gift to somebody else. Since we've been talking about gifting, what is a gift which is not packed properly? Presentation really matters a lot. If you have purchased a very expensive gift but you have not packed it well, or you have wrapped it with a very old shabby looking gift paper, it can make the expensive gift also look very bad. A gift shouldn't be unwrapped or with price tags on it. You should remove enough time to pack a gift properly. If you are not packing the gift, you can always use a nice gift box or a gift bag to put that gift in, and it will also make it look quite expensive. It's important to remove the time to pack a gift properly or to put it in a nice gift box or a gift bag. It will make a less expensive gift also look very good and expensive. Thus, presentation is the most important part of gifting etiquette. Last but not the least, an added bonus tip: always send a thank you note to the person who sent the gift to you. If you are a recipient of the gift, you should always send a thank you note to the person who gave it to you. Though this may seem quite old fashioned, but it still works. It shows the giver that you truly appreciate their time and efforts as well as the thoughts they put in into giving you this gift. You should send a thank you note within a week's time to them. If you cannot send a written card or a thank you note in writing, you can always call them up or you can send them an SMS or a WhatsApp message. I hope you have liked the video so far. If you did, please click on the like button and also share it with as many people as you can. Gifting is very important and in itself is a very unique and a very personalized thing. Also, please to put in the comments section if there is anything else that you think can be added to this list. If in case there's anything you want me to make a video over, you could also put that in your comment section below and I will make it a point to make a video over that. And if in case you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I would request you to please do so and also click on the bell icon. If in case you wish to enroll with me for courses and you want to take appointments from me, you can log on to my website www.divyaadvanistore.com. I will put the link somewhere over here and also in the description box below. If you are not following me on Instagram and Facebook yet, please do so. I'll put the handle over here and also in the description box below. I put up multiple videos and workshop details on my social media handles. Until I see you next, keep smiling, keep shining.